Hi. Today we will learn how to fix update error code 0x800f0806 on Windows 11. On Start, go to Troubleshoot Settings. Then Other Troubleshooters. Under Windows Update, click on Run. It has detected the issue and tried to fix. But this is not yet fixed at all. So, let's apply another tricks. Go to CMD. Run as administrator. Now simply write or paste the command shown. Press Enter. The system is checking for the error. It will go to 100%. The operation is successful. Now, again enter this command and press Enter. This is also in the description. The verification process is under progress. This is also complete. Now, restart the system. After restarting the system, if you attempt to do the procedure, hopefully the update will take place. So, this is how you can fix this issue. Let us know further in the comment box. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.